Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for joining me. And for you new viewers, thanks for checking out my channel. I really do appreciate it. Now guys, this is just gonna be like a quick show and tell type of video, not a full review. Topper Jewelers was kind enough to send me the other two colorways of the new Sumo Ice Diver, and these are model numbers SPB175 and SPB177. Again, two new colorways. I showed you the light blue Ice Diver. I want to show you these same specs, 45mm case. You got the Cyclops over the date now. Of course, you get a Sapphire crystal, all that good stuff, but the same basic specs. I'll go ahead and put those specs in the description field for you if you want to check those out. But also make sure you check out that Sumo SPB179 review that I did about a week ago. If you want to check out, like a full review of these watches. Anyway, here they are. All right, let's go ahead and open up the 177. Let's take a look at this thing. And I like these colorways, man. I think these colorways are fantastic. Now, if I remember correctly, the 177 is the Hulk. If I remember correctly. Yep, this is the Hulk. And it's not nearly as green as I thought it would be, okay? So here it is. Now, because I have to send these back, I'm not even gonna take it off the watch pillow. There it is. It's like a really kind of dark British racing green, kind of like a muted green. I think it looks fantastic. I don't like a real bright green dial at all, but this I can definitely get behind it. Really good looking dial. Of course, you've got that new waffle pattern on the dial, and of course you have the Cyclops with these USA exclusive ice divers. I like the Cyclops. It helps me out. Some of y'all, again, like I said, my original review of the SPB 179, you might not like it, you might not care. But I think just the colorway alone, I do like this, and this is one I'd want to keep, possibly, just because I do like that dark green and not like a lime green or like a Kelly green. This is really a darker green. So good looking colorway. And again, I want to thank Topper Jewelers for sending me these so I can show them to y'all. So there's that one. Again, like I said, this is gonna be a real quick little like show and tell type of thing, not a full review. All right, here's the 175. This is the all gray. Now this reminds me of another 3rd gen gray Sumo that I reviewed a while ago. And the only difference is, and what is that model number? Let me look here real quick. That's the SBDC097. That of course did not have a Cyclops, and it had an orange second hand. And it didn't have the waffle dial. So here is the all gray. There you go. And here's this one. Wow, I like this one too, man. I like this one. I don't know which one, to tell you the truth, I really don't know which one I like better. I mean, they're both fantastic. It looks like the only difference between them, besides the color, is the fact that the 175 has a little blue tip on the second hand, and the 177 does not. It just has a regular white tipped second hand. But there are your other two colorways of the new USA exclusive Ice Diver. Good looking watches, man. Really good looking watches. So again, I just wanted to show you all these, man. Go ahead and check out the original review if you want to check out all the specs. And again, I'll go ahead and put all the specs for these in the description field as well. And again, make sure you check out Topper Jewelers. Make sure you talk to Kit. I promise you, you will not regret it if you do so. Make sure you tell her that I sent you. And guys, that's really been about it for this one. Honestly, I just want to show you these two new colorways. Anyway, as usual, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell. And I'll see y'all on the next review. Take care. Bye-bye.